Select Add Perspective View from the local menu. You have an editor at your disposal for managing the view with specific functions. Customize the view, adding clouds or hiding the terrain. Choose a different panorama background among the default types, or even load your own. Position the photo in relation to the model. Move the view with the model at the center. Adapt the view with the observation point in the center. Launch an automatic animation. Choose the lens type for the scene. Even exclude objects from the scene. Activate shadows. Launch the rendering process. Set up scenes. Launch the animation. And even record a video.